Greetings, folks. Welcome to the channel. Today's movement, fancy helicopter spin. Seeing this move done quite a bit. I could do it with like a dowel, a stick. I tried it with the mace. I've given it a go, but I definitely didn't dial it in. So for today's video, I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna see if I can't figure out. It was really hard for me with the mace, the imbalance of the head, to figure out how to generate the force to get it up there. But I think I got that figured out. You know, I can kind of throw that weight up there, and then it's keeping my thumb out of it. Like my thumb, I think I really want to catch. It's just like ingrained in the brain. When I throw up, my thumb wants to get involved. So yeah, I'm gonna work on this and gab to you guys about what's going on in my head while it's happening. That thumb just jumps right out there. It's not just that it's like sticking in the way. It's that like I'm subconsciously, I guess, grasping at the mace after that first part of the rotation there. When really I should just be letting it toss on my palm of my hand, but really it's like up on my fingers almost. Oh, that was better. I mean, obviously starting position was horrible, but it's the process. I'll try that. See, just grabbed it. God, I can just feel that coming down on top of me. Thumb again. Oh, there we go. It's that fear of dropping it when it's right over the top there. It's really getting me. But I think like I just caught that. Well, I guess no, that'd be from here, huh? That'd be a full rotation. It's like half rotation. That's half. That's a thumb catch again. Oh, that was almost there. Some torque once that grabs on there, huh? Yeah. Bam! That was good. That's half. I could like feel that. Nice. That felt pretty good, huh? Oh, there we go. Gotta keep that neurological connection. Keeping that thumb out of the way there. And maybe it's helping because I got it out in front of me. See, I missed it. I overthought about it and lost the connection. So that's right. I don't know, do other people feel that? Like you can feel it when it clicks, and then like you'll try to do it again, and you can totally tell that you like lost that connection within your own brain. Yeah, just concentrating really hard focus on keeping that thumb out of the way. And I think because it's out in front of me too, it's like I'm not as intimidated by it. Yeah, it's totally that. So yeah, threw my thumb and then pulled it back out of the way there. Thumb. thumb. Yeah, that's where it's at. Just really focus and dialing on that. Don't do it. Balance, probably my stance. But I mean, I think that's part of it though, right? Stance is cool if you're just static. You're just like hanging out in the same position, but I want to be able to move around. What do you guys think? Is that pretty fun? Oh, man, that's a pretty cool move. To be honest, it seems like there's a, you know, cool factor. I almost got it on this side pretty good. Commitment to the spin. Oh, whew, that was close. Oh. Concentrating on what you're actually doing while you're doing it. Pretty important. Get complacent. That felt good. Well, helicopter spin. Not perfect yet, but it doesn't have to be. I'm going to keep practicing, keep working on it. But, you know, I think we're getting there. I think I could build on that. Well, folks, as always, thanks for watching. And I do hope to see you next time.